So we're done for the parallel circuit. So let's proceed to the series circuit. So what is the meaning of series circuit? So a series circuit is one in which all circuit elements are arranged in a single path. In a series circuit, the current through all elements is the same, but the voltage drop across each element is different. So here is the example of series circuit. As you can see here, meron lang tayong single path in which meron sa isang single path meron tayong 1, 2, and 3 resistor, which is the R1, R2, R3, and ohm, and also the voltage. So in this video, makikita natin kung paano nga ba makuha yung mga different voltage niya. So let's proceed. So kailangan muna pala natin makuha is first the resistor. Yan. Here is the formula. Here is the formula. R1 plus R2 plus R3. And kung makikita nyo dito, is nag-total current na ako. Ayan dapat yung makikita natin. Pagtapos nitong... Then, here naman is the... another formula. I1 is equal to I2 and I3. And then, ito yung formula niya. And kailangan natin makuha yung amperage niya. So, let's proceed. So, first, we need to use breadboard. Second, don't forget to put power supply it's up to you kung saan mo siya ilalagay, as long as naka-connect siya sa positive and negative. And also, don't forget to put the 3 resistor and also the LED. Ay, no. I forgot, this is for the parallel. So let's proceed. So this, we need to put a wire in negative. Don't forget to change the color because para hindi kayo malito. This one is for negative, this black color, and for the positive is the red color, just to be organized. Then we need to put the first resistor. As long as yung resistor nyo is nandito, wala kayong poproblemahin. And rotate it. Same goes to second resistor. Rotate it. And lastly, for our third resistor. Yan. So, para mag-flow yung power supply to resistor, syempre, kung nasaan yung first terminal ng first resistor mo, kung nasan yung row na yan, dito, pwede mo siya ilagay dyan. It depends on you. Sa akin, dito ko siya ilalagay. Oh, sorry. Since always put the first positive into the first terminal. Yan. Depende kung saan nyo siya dito ilalagay. So, akin, para mas organized, dito ko siya ilalagay. Then, from here, magpo-flow siya here hanggang dito. So, ibig sabihin, kahit hindi mo siya ilagay dyan, meron pa rin siyang voltage na nagfo-flow. So, once na may resistor tayo, here, dito siya magfo-flow. Pero bago tayo gumawa ng flow, palitan muna natin yung resistance niya and name into the specific para hindi kayo malito. So, the first resistor, we have R1, which is resistor 1, and yung resistance niya is 1 ohm. The second resistor, which is the R2, and yung resistor niya is wait. And yung second resistor niya is 3.9. Then, yung third resistance niya, yung third resistance niya is 6.8. Yan. So, as you can see, nagbabago yung color niya here. From here to here to here. To this. So, para mag-flow yung voltage sa resistor, sa bawat resistor, we need to put wire to both to the first resistor, to the second terminal of the first resistor to the first terminal of the second terminal. The first terminal of second resistor. Oh my god. Here. So, change it into green na lang. Then, same goes to the second terminal of the second resistor going to the first terminal of the third resistor. You don't need to, hindi nyo kailangan gayahin yung ginagawa ko. Pwedeng ganito, pwedeng ganyan, para mas organized lang. Pero, it's up to you kung pwede nyo siya ilagay dito as long as nasa row siya ng mga terminals. Ayan. So, lastly, the second terminal of the third resistor is you need to put the last wire into the negative para mag-flow siya dito hanggang sa negative ng power supply. So, last, para ma-measure natin is don't forget to put 3 multimeter. string multimeter. Kailangan kung ilan yung resistor mo, ganun din karami yung multimeter mo. So, kapag tumitingin tayo ng resistance natin, kailangan yung positive is laging nasa unahan ng first terminal ng mga resistor. Same goes to the negative, which is nakalagay sa second terminal ng resistor. So, again, be organized. Kailangan positive red and the negative is the black or the ground. Oh my god, I forgot to change it into black. Anyways, so same goes to the second one, the second terminal. Okay, I'm gonna go put here, also here. Don't forget to change the color into red because that is positive. And lastly, here, okay, I'm gonna go put here. Yan, we're done. And the resistors. So if we start the simulation, don't forget to change the mode into the resistance because ayun yung hinahanap natin. So start. No, mali pala. I forgot voltage. Yan. So nakuha na natin yung total current niya, which is if you add these three, makakabuo kayo ng at least 5 voltage. So let's proceed to the current. So once na i-measure natin yung current, very simple. All we need to do is to remove the wire that is flowing to our multimeter, that flows to our multimeter. Then instead na directly na i-connect yung positive to the first terminal, gagawin natin, all we need to do is to delete this and to delete these wires na nakalagay dito. Then i-flow natin siya mismo dito. Then the negative one is magfo-flow dapat siya sa terminal 1. Okay, change it into red because that is positive. Same goes to our second resistor. First resistor that flows are going to the second resistor. This wire, we need to delete this wire and and put the terminal 1 into the positive. The second resistor, the first resistor, then negative. Change it into black. Same goes to our third multimeter. Positive again. No. So first, delete the wire. Ayan, kailangan mag-flow siya mismo dun sa ano. Again, hindi kailangan na dito mo siya mismo ilagay. Basta nandito siya sa mismong row niya. Same goes here. Change this into red. So, again, here, hindi na natin to kailangan baguhin kasi siya yung nagsiserve as the flowing negative here. So, once we start the simulation, makikita mo na natin dyan. Once we start the simulation, before we start the simulation, make sure na yung mode is amperage. So, here. Yan. So, as you can see, nakita na natin yung current niya. Yan. So, ganito ang pagkuha ng current. So, thank you for watching, guys. I hope may natutunan kayo.